Well, good morning, good afternoon. This is Cameron at Traders Network Club, and welcome back to the Altcoin Season Show. We have a lot to talk about today because there is a Super Bowl coming this weekend, and there's a lot to talk about with the marketing of cryptos that are going to take place in the Super Bowl. So let's get right to it, and I'll see you guys after this. All right, welcome back. So, guys, a lot to talk about today. As you know, the Bengals and Rams are playing the Super Bowl this weekend, and I'm really excited for that game. Go Bengals, even though I'm not a Bengals fan, but I am supporting Joe Burrow and Jamar Chase. I'm a big fan of those players. So let's go Bengals. We got a couple money down the line. So, but besides that, more importantly, what I want to talk about is cryptos. With the Super Bowl coming up, guys, there is just so much to talk about. So before we really get and dive into that, I just want to just quick update on Bitcoin and a quick update on just NFTs real quick. So let me just go with Bitcoin here and show you guys that we were looking for that breakthrough, right? And we got what we wanted, right? We got that breakthrough through that trend line, and we're looking good. We're looking green. A lot of people just before we had this breakthrough, a lot of people I've talked to were just really down on Bitcoin, and they just were so negative, saying, "Man, this is just And a lot of people what they don't understand is that cryptos are here to stay. And if you didn't know, there's a lot of actors and talking about sports, a lot of athletes that are invested in cryptos. Not just invested, but they're instead of getting paid for their job, as in movies and sports, instead of getting paid money, U.S. dollars, they want to get paid in Bitcoin. So there's some athletes and movie stars that are choosing to rather get paid in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is here to stay, guys. I saw the announcement is they're one of the founders said their goal is to reach 150,000 in Bitcoin, which is still a long way to go, but we'll see. So we're looking good in Bitcoin, guys. And quick update on NFTs. Looks like Goonies game, when I talked about one of our NFT shows, was a project that I was really liking, but apparently they had a problem with their minting that kind of brought down the project a little bit. So if we go and we check out their collection here. Oops, that's not the one I want to do. Here you go, Goonie Game official. So it looks like okay. This is not the right one either. It's this one. Okay. So if you look at this can't be right. Looks like they just got some problems with the charts. But let me just pull it up here then. So it's sitting at a 0.33 ETH, right? And I believe it was minting for I want to say 0.2, 0.25 maybe. I can't remember. And yeah, this this is what I'm really getting fed up with OpenSea is that their charts are just so inaccurate, and that's why I use different charts than just looking at this activity. But you can see they are definitely getting some sales in. They are definitely getting some sales in, but the floor price hasn't moved up. Let's see if it's a very thin floor here. Yeah, let's go buy now. And my computer is being slow again. Man, this is getting annoying. So a lot of owners too, a lot of people are holding on these items. Volume is trading kind of medium. So yeah, you can see. Did I not click buy now? Come on now. OpenSea, come on, get your stuff together, man. I'm gonna find a new platform to trade on. Just kidding. All right, so you got yeah, it looks like it's pretty thick. So that's why actually it's not that thick, but oh yeah. So you can see there is yeah, okay. It's kind of thick, not super thick, but and it's just like OpenSea has been having problems lately. Like yesterday, I was trying to get into some NFTs, and I just couldn't get the price I wanted to get in because it was just having it kept crashing, and it was really annoying because there was so many opportunities to get in at these low prices of these projects, and I couldn't get in because OpenSea just kept crashing on me. Anyways, so let's say this for another day. Let's get back to cryptos. What I want to talk about is so the Super Bowl coming up, right? Big topic to talk about, Super Bowl, and for some reason they're calling the crypto Super Bowl this year. And I can show you guys that too. Let me pull this up right here. So you can see, you just go and you search crypto Super Bowl, you can see a lot of the news channels talking about it. And I don't know if it's because I'm streaming off Firefox that's giving me a slow. All right. So you can see they talking about crypto Super Bowl. Welcome to the crypto Super Bowl. Crypto companies are spending millions to win over viewers for the Super Bowl ads. So there's going to be a lot of ads played in the Super Bowl that's going to try and market these crypto coins. And I wanted to talk about which ones, which ones are they going to market? And I can tell you they're going to market a lot of these exchanges. And they've talked about Coinbase, Binance, but the most important one that I'm looking at is Crypto.com. We talked about this on Tuesday. Crypto.com has been an exchange coin that they're really done a good job in marketing and really trying to push this with some high influencers in the space and some celebrities. As you've seen the Matt Damon. We talked about the Matt Damon commercials. Look at Crypto.com exchange as he used actor Matt Damon in his commercials. Confirmed to CNN Business that it also will have an ad. The company wouldn't say if Damon will appear in the Super Bowl spot. So they're definitely coming out with that. Obviously, Binance, another crypto exchange with Jimmy Butler's a basketball star. Looks like they're gonna try and throw something in there with Binance. So, oh yeah, and so Crypto.com has a deal with the Lakers, LA, in the LA stadium. So they do have a contract with them. So that's and the Super Bowl is at the LA stadium. So they do have a contract with them. So that's kind of like definitely going to be pushing some advertising and Coinbase too. So now if we look at crypto.com, right, let's take a look at crypto.com. I know it already took a nice little pump. So it wouldn't be ideal to jump in, right? It wouldn't be ideal to get in right now after we got this nice little rally because we like to get the lowest prices, right? So this is something I'm going to keep an eye on because I would love to just throw some money in here just for the purpose of the Super Bowl, giving a nice little volume spike, right? Nice little pump over the weekend. If it does happen, I'm going to definitely keep an eye on this, and we'll definitely talk about this on Tuesday when I see you guys again. But wouldn't be ideal to get in right now after the spike, so I'm going to keep my eye open. Maybe we see a little correction before the Super Bowl, and then maybe I can get in at that dip. But just for the purpose of the weekend, I'm going to try and throw something in at a price I can get in, just for the weekend, just to see if I can get a nice little pump over the weekend, just to take some extra profits, right? So I'm gonna just keep an eye on that over the last couple of days before Sunday hits and see how it's looking. If there's a little correction, a little dip I can get in and throw a couple $100. Who knows? Just for the purpose of the Super Bowl, just over the weekend. Now, also want to talk about I had a crypto battle. I believe it was Tuesday. Tuesday, the 8th. Yeah, Tuesday. I had the crypto battle on Tuesday where I tweeted about it and posted on Instagram about it, and I talked about a couple coins. I talked about XRP, as you can see here. XRP took a nice little pump right here. And if you guys don't know what's going on with XRP and the lawsuit with the SEC and the whole thing about Ripple being a security for XRP, and looks like the lawsuit is definitely in the XRP's favor. So that's why we're seeing a lot of buyers coming in, because if this lawsuit does win, that's really going to be good for XRP holders, and we're going to see a nice little spike of buyers coming in trying to get in too. So that's why XRP is definitely something to keep an eye on. We definitely took that nice little pump, and you can see it did kind of pass that resistance trend line. So definitely want to keep an eye on that if it can come back and maybe test it and give another little push. So I'm definitely uh, I definitely took a buy in XRP during that crypto battle just for the purpose of this lawsuit. Hopefully that we can get a push because it was just for a week sake. And we also talked about Shiba and Axie. Let's talk about Axie before we talk about Shiba. Axie Infinity, one of the top play to earn games. And you know I love my play to earn games. And Axie Infinity was sitting really nice for a buy. Obviously, I got in at a little higher price than I wanted to. You know, it would have been more ideal to buy right here at this level, the floor right here. So, sorry, support. So now we did get a little pump right here, right? So according to this pattern, we got these 5 waves, and we got this big second wave that came retest that fourth wave because that's what we look for, right? We like to buy right as we get back to that fourth eternal wave, and now we're looking for that big third wave to push, right? So this is definitely going to be. I'm definitely bullish on Axie Infinity. Would it be a good time to get in now? I wouldn't get in now because I do assume we're going to see an ABC move right here before we get that third wave. So I do believe we're going to get a little correction, coming down here before we get that upside. So you could just wait on Axie right now. Just wait for that correction to get at that dip before we make that big move. So Axie Infinity is definitely our long-term target is definitely at that 618 up here. It could take a while, but that is definitely a long-term target. So if you're looking for Axie Infinity to get in and just hold until we reach that target, and we can just go and move with that third swing, then that's the idea right there. That's the strategy. So I would wait for that correction, and if you want to get in at that right underneath that correction, then that would be a great move, and we can just hold in for that big move. And Shiba, I'd like to take a look at Shiba because Shiba has been coming out with some big news this last couple weeks or a week. And you can see Shiba, is considered a meme coin or not, but Shiba is, it's kind of trading at a low price than we've had. So it's like, why not get in right at the price it is now? Because it's this is a type of coin you want to buy and hold. And we've talked about these meme coins. You don't want to trade weekly and daily with these meme coins. These meme coins are something you throw money in, you kind of hold, right? You just hold and you wait for that big pump that everyone's waiting for. So Shiba definitely broke through that trend line, as you can see, and gave a nice little upside. We could see a little correction before we go and reach that target where we want to get to. But Shiba is taking a lot of big news. We talked about that Shibaverse they're coming out with and the Metaverse, which gave it a nice little hype. Hype with that. And then also they just announced that they are franchising, which is really good for Shiba, man. I'm really glad to see that they're franchising and really trying to grow their project. And you can see right here with Welly is one of the franchises that they're trying to collab with is a fast food. So they are trying to build some fast food restaurants around the world, as we can see here. Let's see. Here we go. So Welly's Revolution. So people are going and applying right now, so they can see the locations where they want to attend for the restaurants. And we're assuming that they're gonna be located in different countries before we do get the U.S. Well, it could first expand into Europe, given its current location in Italy. The U.S. remains a strong candidate, given the large proportion of cryptocurrency and sheep holders located across the Atlantic. India also boasts a large sheep army battling and was explicitly referenced by Shiba. Okay, so that's the founder of Shiba right here. So Australia is the home side of Playside Studios. That's what we talked about in Shibaverse for the metaverse space that they're doing. They're trying to develop a game, a Shiba new game, which is gonna be nuts, guys. This is really gonna take Shiba on another level. So definitely keep an eye on that, the game they're creating. So that will be created by Playside Studios, which has done a great job of creating games. So okay, so yeah, you can see. So yeah, I mean, you guys can go and look, check this out, read up a little more. But they are trying to franchise and get bigger, which is some big news. Big news about that. So we also got in Shiba on too in that crypto battle. So Shiba, like I said, it's a meme coin you hold, right? We're expecting Shiba to take a nice big upside. So why not get in and hold, right? Why not get in and hold? And if it does drop down a little bit, we can always just buy the dips, right? There's no problem with that. This is a meme coin, guys. This is not a coin that we're gonna trade daily. Now, I would like to just before we do close this out, I do want to talk about a coin that's kind of lower price right now, which I like too, is another play to earn game. Okay, let's load it up. Okay, I don't know what just happened to my chart, but this I don't know where this blue line came from. Let's just delete that. So you can see it's not much a lot of data coming here. We can pull up the 4 hours, and you can see it's trading really flat right now these last month or so. So you can see this is at a very low price, and the town star is a play to earn that's uh, that's in the Gala ecosystem, right? Gala ecosystem has all these different type of games, and Town Star is one of them, one of their play to earn games, and is one of their best play to earn games as of now because it's just so available to play, and a lot of people are playing that right now and making some pretty good money. So this is at a very low price right now, and this is something that I would definitely get in because at the price is in. There's no analyzing when the price is this low at the lowest it can be right now. So we got the price at the lowest point it's ever been at. This is something I like to throw some money in right here because just the project of itself, I'm very bullish on. And Gala is definitely going to be taking off. I'm actually still holding Gala, and I keep getting this buffer. I don't know what is going on my computer. Okay, so Gala, if you look at Gala took a nice upside. I believe it was like the 4th, yeah, around the 4th of February. So we got a nice little upside in Gala. So Gala, I'm still holding on because I still want to reach that all-time high. You know what I'm saying? So like I'm still waiting for that. I'm not going to take any profits yet. I'm still going to hold on Gala just because I'm so bullish on this project itself. It's not a project I like to just hop in and just trade daily. But you can. I mean, there's no problem with it. This could have definitely been some profits right here. You could have took in when we're talking about buying over here. You could have looked at it like already almost 100% profit. So would have been a bad idea to take your profits if you wanted to. And so yeah, so we're still waiting. We're still waiting. So very exciting with the Super Bowl coming up this weekend. A lot of stuff to look at, especially with these exchange coins. And we'll talk about on Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday when I see you guys at 12 o'clock again. We'll talk about what happened over the Super Bowl. If anything changed with with those exchange coins, if price actually went up or not. So we'll talk about it. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next Tuesday. Make sure you guys go and like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we post those videos. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.